Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Crush and Cover, and today I have another book reveal for you, rather book cover reveal. So it is my latest whimsical coloring book that is out, and today we're going to do the cover work, the artwork for the book cover. So I am using gouache. Now I remember telling you that I'm going to start using a new medium, which is gouache, and put in some more videos out. So I have the dry gouache palette, not the jelly, and I really like these ones. It acts more like a watercolor, my regular watercolor, only with more vibrant and bright pigment. So I dose it with water and mix it just the same, and it is absolutely lovely. I really enjoy using this medium. So this is my new go-to medium, and it is gouache, the dry palette. I do have the jellies that I'm going to be using soon, maybe sometime later in the year. But for now, I'm going to be working with my watercolor palette as well as this new dry gouache palette. So I've added some vibrant purple and some light lavender and making highlights with it in her hair. This is a chibi, and I'm just making her hair pop with purple and highlights and using the purple straight from the paint, just with a slight dip of the brush in water to get the vibrancy of the paint, the darker shade on the tip of the brush, and using it as highlights in her hair. It really works well, and it dries really fast. So I didn't have any problem with flaking, scaling, or anything like that. It works perfectly like a watercolor, like I wanted to. For this, I know it's supposed to be an opaque medium, but for me, it was more translucent because of how I mixed it, and I didn't mind at all. If you wanted to make it a bit more thicker or deeper, just add more when you're mixing it, less water, and make it more thicker and rich, and you will definitely get that opaque kind of a texture that you want, or not texture but shade. So it works really well for me for the hair. It does look really good. It pops. The purple I love. You can't really get the shade of purple unless you have those professional grade kind of pigment for watercolor and so forth, and not everyone can purchase those professional grade ones. So this gouache works perfect as a in-between medium with in terms of looking for the colors that you want in watercolor and making it work for you. I just might need a little bit more practice because this is a new palette for me, but I became so impatient because I just really wanted to just keep going and going. It really gave that good feeling of painting, and I just enjoyed the process. So there is a shade of brown, and I just added a bit of pink and the brown, and just mixed it out in water to get her shade. It didn't take me long to find the shade that I wanted either. It is just that good. This is another thing. When I did her eye, I messed it up, so I ended up allowing it to dry and then going over it with the white, and it worked perfectly for me. I kept messing up the eye, and the great thing about this medium is that as long as you allow it to dry, you can definitely go over with a different shade, and it works out perfectly fine. I mean, it might be a little bit of floss on right there, but it does cover up a lot of mistakes that you might be trying to fix. So I did go in with the red, but I watered it down a little bit, and it is still vibrant. I mean, I totally love gouache. Well, at least the dry gouache. So if it's something that you're thinking of trying, I definitely encourage you to. It really is lovely. So this is my chibi, and she's supposed to be adultly cute, but as you know, chibis are not babies. They're still full-grown adults, but they look so cute, like baby cute, you know. So I hope you do enjoy this piece, and it's actually my demo for the gouache mainly, but also because I've done my May coloring book. So if you want to go ahead, it will be out on Amazon, so please do not hesitate to check it out. Of my whimsically silly girls. Well, actually, it's a collaboration between me and my mini me, and I'm so impressed and proud of her that we actually did this collab book together. Alright, and I just wanted to show you how vibrant the pigment of this dry gouache is, that I'm going to do backgrounds. You know me, I will never leave my background just blah. I'm always going to add some texture, some color or something to it. So I tried to do a variation just so it's not just pink, but it's like a variated gradient, and I really am impressed that it actually works so lovely. I normally would do this with my tie-dye background or my watercolor stained texture background, but look how vibrant the gouache is. Even when I dull it out, make it into a wash, the pink is beautiful. It's actually a mixture of pink and another shade that I have that looks like purple. So I mixed both together, and this is the texture and the color that I got, and I really am impressed. Alright, so thank you for watching. Remember, check my book, look out for my book on Amazon, and of course go to Redbubble and you'll get stickers. Thank you.